Hey y'all, it's Raven and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to juice, and this juice is called the Bloat. Okay, so now we're just going to grab everything we need. I have 2 lemons, 2 Honeycrisp apples. You can use Red Delicious if you prefer, but the Honeycrisp are my favorite, so that's what I'm going to go with. I have 2 cucumbers, some baby spinach, and you can also add kale, but I opted out for the kale. It's just I can't get with it, but you can definitely do baby spinach and kale. I also have coconut water. You don't have to use the coconut water, but I had it on hand. If I don't have it on hand, then I'll just put in water. I use the Sprouts organic fruit and vegetable wash. I have a Nama J2 juicer, so it's a little easier as far as prep and things like that. You just have to put your fruits and vegetables in the softest to the hardest. So as you can see, I'm putting in the baby spinach first. I usually do about 2 handfuls, and then I'm going in with the lemon and a piece of ginger, and then I'm adding in my cucumbers, my apples, and also my celery. I came across this recipe from Bree Lewis on Instagram. I will leave her account information down below. You just literally turn on the machine and it does everything for you. As you can see, the juice is starting to be pressed out, and then the pulp and everything else actually has its own little container. Once the juice starts juicing, you see that it's filling up, you can let a little bit out so it can drain. Now we're going in to our second batch, and I'm going to do the same thing. And when it comes to the coconut water or water, whichever you prefer, I kind of just add as I go. I don't like my juice thick, so I pretty much use the whole container. I want to say that was 1 liter. The Nama J2 does have a attachment to where it strains for you as it juices, but I like to go in and strain a second time. These glass containers are in my Amazon storefront, so if you want to take a look at them, they will be in the description below. I just filled up 4 of the containers because we're going to use the other 2 for our second batch of juice that we will be making. And there you have it, Bloat goat juice. Okay, so now we're going to get into the second juice that we're making today, and that is this watermelon juice. I typically always make a watermelon juice, but this time I tried the yellow watermelon. The only ingredients I use for this recipe is a yellow watermelon, cucumbers, and some lemon. So we're just gonna add the watermelon into our Nama J2 juicer. And remember, you always add your softer ingredients first, and then you go in with your harder ingredients. So you literally just turn on the machine and you watch it do its magic. I just love how easy and simple this juicer is. This is my first juicer ever, and I have to say it's an investment, but it was a great investment. I use it weekly. We juice so often. I really like it. I feel like we're getting the benefits out of it and also getting the benefits from drinking the juice. So I really enjoy this juicer. Thank you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like and comment. And I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.